Welcome back to Next Ride Review, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Ferrari Roma, a car that takes the concept of a grand tourer and elevates it to extraordinary heights. The Roma is all about blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge performance, and this latest iteration doesn't disappoint. Ferrari has made subtle but meaningful updates to ensure it stays ahead of the competition while still embodying that unmistakable Ferrari DNA. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Roma remains a masterpiece of minimalism, with smooth, flowing lines that give it an effortlessly elegant silhouette. Up front, the reshaped grille and updated LED headlights bring a slightly sharper edge to its aesthetics. While the redesigned rear diffuser adds an air of aggression without compromising its refined appeal. Ferrari has also introduced new color options, including a striking metallic blue and a deeper crimson red, both of which perfectly highlight the Roma's curves. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that is nothing short of luxurious. Ferrari has focused on driver-centric ergonomics while ensuring the cabin feels modern and high-tech. The dual cockpit layout remains, with a digital instrument cluster and an updated central touchscreen featuring Ferrari's latest infotainment system. Connectivity has been improved, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now standard. The materials are exquisite, with options for bespoke leather, carbon fiber trim, and even hand-stitched details that underline the car's artisan craftsmanship. Of course, the Roma isn't just about looks. Under the hood, it packs Ferrari's 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, now tuned to deliver 620 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. The new Roma hits 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, shaving a tenth of a second off its predecessor, and boasts a top speed of 199 miles per hour. The updated 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures buttery smooth shifts whether you're cruising through town or unleashing its full power on the open road. But it's not just the straight-line performance that impresses. Ferrari has tweaked the Roma's chassis and suspension for even sharper handling, while still maintaining its grand touring comfort. Thanks to improved aerodynamics and a lighter body, the car feels more agile than ever, making it an absolute joy on winding roads. Safety and driver assistance have also seen upgrades. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera are now seamlessly integrated, adding peace of mind without detracting from the driving experience. And then there's the sound. The Roma's V8 has been tuned to deliver a deeper, more intoxicating exhaust note, striking the perfect balance between sophistication and raw emotion. Whether you're accelerating hard or just idling at a stoplight, the Roma makes sure you'll never forget it's a Ferrari. So, who is the 2025 Ferrari Roma for? It's for the discerning driver who values a blend of performance, luxury, and everyday usability. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a reminder that Ferrari knows exactly how to create something truly special. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Ferrari Roma. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Ride Review for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, drive safe and keep chasing your next ride.